Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. In the first episode of this series, I talked about sterilizing your seed starting mix with boiling water. Next thing you're going to need are lights. Any basic shop light, white LED lights, will work. They're relatively inexpensive. This was about $20. So first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that the lumens value is at least 3,000 or higher. I recommend 5,000 lumens. That's perfect. And you want the color of light. It's called Kelvin. Sometimes it has a number on there, and the number you'd be looking for is 4100K to 6500K. That mimics daylight. If it doesn't have that number, it should say daylight. That will set you up. Most of these lights are hooded, which is what I recommend. They have a hood, two LED strips going through here. It's perfect for transplants. That's all you're growing. It's white light. And make sure that it has a plug. A plug like that. You want it to go into an outlet. You don't want it to be hardwired into a ceiling or something like that. So as long as it has a plug, you're going to be good to go. You just put them into power strips like that. You're also going to want to get yourself a timer. Any kind of timer works. You're going to have your lights on anywhere from 12 to 16 hours. A basic setup can look like this if it's something more elaborate and you're growing a lot of plants, but all you really need is one shelf. I recommend 2 lights, and when you look on the underside you can see what I'm talking about. 2 strips of white lights. If you want to just go with one light like this, your seed flat would go in there. You keep the light on, you'll be able to do 2 flats. You can do a lot of plants. If you do 2 lights, you can get 4 of these flats in here going across, and that's plenty of transplants for most people. In the next video I'll be talking about the seed starting cells and containers and how to set up the soil in the cells so that you can get great germination and have wonderful transplants. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and follow me. I'll be doing a quick 3-minute series on seed starting indoors over the next couple of months. Thanks for watching.